Hey, I'm Steve with Gatti Plumbing in Rochester, New York, and we're looking at the Route 66 machine here. About a year and a half ago, we tried out the demo unit, and we liked it so much we bought 4 of them, and our technicians are using this machine right now. We thought we'd go over some of the reasons why we like this machine so much. So it has a 1/2 horsepower motor, just like our large snake, but as you can see, it's a lot smaller. That makes it easier for us to get in tight places, and we go through crawl spaces on roofs with it, little closets like this. We can go all kinds of areas with it that we couldn't fit the big machine. And here we have a mop sink with a 3-inch line. Like any mop sink, it has a trap in it, and that is nice because it shows that our cable that we use, the 7/8 cable, will actually go right through a 3-inch trap. And that is the nice thing. Our large machine doesn't do that, and we would have to rely on the small machine, which isn't as powerful. So we can use this machine and we can clear out this line. I'll show you that right now. The competition makes you adjust this machine with a bunch of dials and things on the front and the back. With this machine, if I'm using a 5/8 small cable, I can just remove the handle. If I want to use the large cable, I can just move the handle to here and everything's adjusted. And as you saw, that only takes a few seconds. Here we have 75 feet of cable, and as you can see, nice and light. We like to run the cable from this drum straight into the machine. That way the cable doesn't touch the ground, it doesn't touch anything that you don't want it to. Keeps your job site nice and clean. When we use this cable, it has the quick release head. Super easy to put that on there. All you do is take it, line it up, click it in, and you're ready to go. So we're through the trap. Just like that, we're through the trap, and now we can send this cable out as far as we need to go. Maybe they dumped a bunch of mop strings or wipes or whatever down the drain. We can go through and pull everything out of this mop sink right through that trap. It also works the same on floor drains. And there we go, 15 feet. So we went 15 feet in the matter of a minute. One of the nice things about this cable is you can almost throw it down the pipe. It's so easy to send it down the pipe, and as you saw, I could put it through real quick, and it made it really easy to clear out this drain. A nice benefit about this cable is with that open wind, when you have the machine running, it'll actually back itself out of the pipe, and it helps you remove the cable, especially if you have about 75 feet in there. So I ran some water there to show you guys that you can run water with this machine, and this machine spins at 400 RPM. Some of the other competition is around 600. It's nice to run the machine faster, but you can see these white walls here. Not a drop of water is anywhere because this cable spins just fast enough that it can clear the pipe efficiently, but it doesn't throw water everywhere. We've been finding that 400 RPM speed is really great because it doesn't make a big mess. It is nice. It'll throw water off in the pipe, come out a little drier than the drum cable, but it doesn't fling water everywhere. So we kept our nice white walls here, this tile floor, everything is nice and clean. We finished up that, and we're ready to go.